Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Absolutely, guys. August month is a good month for all Cardano holders. All Cardano holders are feeling very good with the cryptocurrencies market, guys. And I'm feeling very good about Cardano because absolutely in the August the Cardano are going to hit $2. Wow. There is a profit, guys. Now that is a technical analysis, that is a prediction about Cardano. As I told you guys in my many videos, that please hold to the last of August, hold to the last of August, hold to the last of August. So that is a result of my prediction that Cardano price is now $2 and possibilities, guys, that at the last of August the price of Cardano will be $2.50. So guys, never decide to sell, just hold to the last stop, I guess. Anyways guys, click the subscribe button for more updates and news videos about Cardano Agust. The currently live price of the Cardano in the market is $2.03 in the market. Other side, if we talk about the changes of the Cardano, so you can see here all in only positive changes, but from yesterday the changes of the Cardano start falls down. But guys, that's not mean then you decide to sell. No, never decide to sell, just hold to the last of August. Just hold to the last of August, guys. That's really a biggest mistake of holders doing it this time. Then they decide to sell. No, never decide to sell, guys. Just hold to the last of August. Now let me show you the price chart. You can see here, my friend, it's a massive jump from 12 August. The price of Cardano taken a quick jump, and yesterday, as I show you, that the yesterday price is fast down. So now again you can see here the price start pumping. Here the price falls down, so they have to take a jump again. Get ready, guys, get ready. Now it's a profit time. Positive 14.41% the price increase, and absolutely $2.22 they also hit in the August. But you can see here this time the price falls down, so that is why the currently price of the Cardano is $2.04. Absolutely, Cardano is on the moon, and get ready, guys. Just hold, and if you want to buy more, so I think it's already good for buying. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.